My name is Barapita and I walk in the light. But what does it mean to walk in the light of Ramasedi? It means not hiding your truth. It means speaking when you need to speak, crying out when the silence will destroy you. Our elders said, Ngwana yo sa leleng, swela thari. A child who doesn't cry dies in the thari. The thari was the cloth mothers used to carry their babies close to the body. If the child stayed silent, the mother might not know there was pain, hunger, or sickness. The child could die right there in silence. We are the same. Many of us are still in the thari, carried by life, carried by community, carried by the universe. But inside, we hold our cries. We stay silent while our pain grows. We pretend to be strong. We hide our truth. And so, the cry that should save us becomes the silence that destroys us. The thari today is not just cloth. It is family. It is society. It is the workplace. It is even your own mind. If you do not cry, if you do not speak, your truth dies inside that thari. That is not walking in the light. That is walking in shadows. Ramasedi, the sun, is truth. You cannot whisper your cry in the dark and expect the light to hear you. If you are praying in shadows, if you are speaking behind closed doors, if you are silent in your spirit, how will the universe hear you? You must meet the light. Your words must rise like smoke where Ramasedi can see them. Only then will you be heard. I remember times when I stayed silent, when I thought it was safer to keep my truth inside. But the silence only ate me. I learned that even if your voice shakes, you must cry out. Even if people don't understand, Ramasedi understands. When I walked outside and spoke my truth under the sun, I realized the light does not judge. The light only reveals. So I invite you, tomorrow morning, when the sun rises, stand outside. Even if no one is around, say your truth. Cry your cry. Direct it at Ramasedi. You will feel lighter. You will feel heard, because the sun, the light, never ignores. Do not be that child who dies in silence. Cry out. Cry towards the light. This is what it means to walk in the light of Ramasedi. Stand in the sun. Say your truth. Walk in the light.